Tangu ya nze kwa kusomera.
Kwa kusomera.
Baadaye pemula. Katumba.
Chakua.
Jiba.
Kali. Tewasomye.
Mbadde nsomye.
Lwaki tuli kusomera?
Ati nzirayo ke headmaster badda afunyemu okutakkanya nange.
Ne bakola bati?
Abadde nga ngobye.
Kyogere ddala nti agobye.
Angaye ndeeta omuzadde.
Bakutumye omuzadde?
Nzijukidde. Katumba oli mukulu okunsinga. Maama owange. Mukambwe bizibu.
Sokolinde.
Kana kagalo kalaba. Kabaki.
Nganda bake ewe takati.
Mama yakamenya. Allah, chicha akamenyera.
Yakuwakola
nawiza olupapula mu kitabu.
Katwala kitaawo.
Ene ngombo ogiraba.
Eringa ejjambiya.
Taata ye yankuba.
Yakutema? Yakutemera ki?
Naluma rabba.
Labba obulabba?
Rabba.
Nakutema.
Kati okumuyita nti mpe mudde.
Kati okoze otya?
Olaba oti ngenda kuwayo sente tugenda okulenga omuzadde.
Sebyensomero nabisobola.
Wasoma.
Nasoma naye ogenda kumba sente mmeka? 1000 yogerako 1000. Yogerako 1000.
Kati nina 3.
Kale leeta.
Wangi?
Leeta sina tabu.
Nkwako 1000.
Sina tablet. Kale
tugende kusomere.
Tugende.
Kale ekiriwo ekitukutuka kusomero headmaster agenda kubeera.
Tompitiramu. Mbimanyi.
Wefulanga omuzadde.
Mbimanyi nze nasoma. Yes. If you can do it, I can't do it. I can't do it. Azoka onakanga
n'oluzungu.
I can do it. If everyone can do it, we can't do it.
Tugenda mugenda kusomera.
Azoka era nateekawo bunkenge.
Jangu wano Katumba.
Ano di jangu.
Kati zanya nga headmaster.
Mkulirako mugalana de. Yasinga amannya amanene mu comedy files.
Pulo jangu.
Kata togenda. Kata katewe kaako. Ogenda kola nga headmaster.
Akasebe kaako ogenda kola.
Iwali.
Jangu tuyingire office.
Kale.
Nze muwamuzi.
We can't do it. Did it.
Koko. Headmaster. Omuzadde muli.
Headmaster.
Jangu.
Kuno kulamusiza
taata wange wowe.
Neetagisa okujjawo.
Bambi jangu.
Kale. Let me did it.
Ndowooza ensonga ekulese wano se.
Dawano. Atandikola obukambwe. Dawano.
Era ddala olabika gwe musajja.
Onansonga sose nanyimirira wali. Bale office bamala kaziyingira. Soka ne bakulagira. Mbulira buzibu ki?
Kakati sebo. Obuzibu obuli wano. Omwana oyo. Ze banna yalinga nnemeredde kuba kakati.
Akulemye. Olema abasomesa.
Era alabika ddala.
Olema abasomesa. Sirika tabako kyoge. Headmaster kiri kiki?
Omwana oyo bannange ebintu byazakola mu ssomero bino bingi naye bannaye ku luno nabadde ekintu kyeyakoze banizaddala gundi gwe
yakoze ekinga teyakiŋambi
taata w'omulaba wavunaanyizibwa naye mazima ddala n'ogenda ovaamu egambo erifaanana bwe erityo
yafudde mugambo ki
omwana wuyo abyogere
awemula sikiriza mwana kuzanyira ku ssomero. Ono yaluma bulumi labba. Kije kiri mugongo nakola ki? Mugongo nakola ki? Sinde yakuba. Sinde mejambia. Olugalo nalukola ki?
Mama yalumya sikwe.
Ani yamulagira. Osiro okuli.
Gasera tumanyiira naawe.
Oyagala kola.
Oyagala kumanyira. Sisi namadde kuminyaga
kigenda maaso bituufu ebyo byempulira
oyo gasiya
ono
Abadde wange naye ziweddeyo.
Thank you.
Ku Valentine.
Valentine.
Okubira omuniga ku Valentine.
Nga toliiwo.
Hello? Musa?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Wangi.
Where are you?
I'm home.
Eh?
Home.
Okimanyi
Home.
Home. Leero Valentine.
Kimanyi.
Ontuteeko wa? Ontuteeko wa?
Christmas waliwa.
Christmas? Nali wa mama.
Gende wa kitaawo kati. Omulala akusindikirawo there and there. Takola ki? Ate abahaye basibu nnyo. Ono omuyale guntuwadde gundi waggulu nga mu kisenyi waggulu. Kati omuyale baba n'avuga zi trailer. Babeera n'ekisa.
Abavuzi ba trailer.
Ate bagenda ne walooza emmotoka za company. Baziteekako ebigambo for bad driving report ne basaako enamba y'essimu. Y'omuyale kye yakola omanyi kye yakola. N'akwata enamba ya manager gye basaako okubako.
N'agiggyako.
Nassaawo eyiye.
Bakuba. Avuga obubi bakuba. Halo?
Halo?
Mukulu mujebale?
Kale nawe jebale.
Ekintu kyemukola tetuli basanyufu.
Kuki?
Biki bye muvuga?
Ani ono?
Ono si ye manager wa kampani ya Seiko.
Y'ono wali ogamba ki?
Lwaki musajja avuga bubi?
Motoka namba ki?
UAL 10Z.
Kati wali ogamba tukole tutya?
Mumugobe ku mirimu wajja leeta accident.
Sinikira muli ebinnya nfa kubikwatako. Nge nawe yagikyusa yagirina.
If you think I'm lying, you'll even notice when a celeb dies in Uganda, all the women who come that have his child are out speaking Luganda. Banaye oyawadde muganzi wange nina abaana be babiri ono mwana asooka twamuzaala nga bakayimba bread and butter wololo. That is it. You'll never hear a Pio, a Chen, Lakwena coming but they have a child to someone who has died. How? Even the Baganda parents give them kajanja, by the way. They give them kajanja, the land and all that thing. When they come with their children, they accept them. In the north, if you have a child with someone and the family doesn't know, don't show up. Don't. Unless you have a wheelchair at home. You come, hey, like, come here, bin can. Why are you assuming our family? You don't just bring a child before I brought a child. Ooh, hey, but it is not nice. Anyway, one thing I know, I've learned that. Have you noticed that for every villager in Kampala who can't give you direction, if you ask them, where are you? They will tell you I'm at Mega Standard. All of them. Now, my cousin was coming from the village. First time he was in the bus. As you're approaching Kampala, people start calling. Pick me at Mega Standard. Get me at Mega Standard. Oh. For him, he thought it is a stage. He reached, he's like, I've reached. I was like, that fast? Like, yeah. Where should I get you? Mega Standard. I was in Entebbe. I got a boat. I ran. I rushed. 25,000. When I reached Mega Standard, I searched. The guy was not there. I got into the supermarket, I checked the side where they sell OD. You know that is where Northern are. The guy was not there. I thought maybe, we always relate, there's a police station there. I came out, checked at the police station, maybe he has got his cousin from the village. The guy was not there. I called him back. I'm like, where are you? He's like, I'm at Mega Standard, like I'm outside here, I can't see you. Explain, is there any tall building around? Like, no, there's only one building here. Or like, do you see any banner, any signpost, any billboard? He's like, no, I don't see anything. I'm like, okay, on that building, read for me whatever is there. He's like, mega mattresses, Nakasongola. I'm like, where? The guy was still in Nakasongola. I was like, is there a good Samaritan around you? He's like, yes. Let me talk to him. I was like, how are you, sir? I was like, fine. Get for me a taxi that takes man back to Lida. They put him back. He's like, but I don't have money. Let them tie you as a mattress. Just go.
You know, my maid learned the hard way that she was very single in a relationship alone. She told me 2 weeks ago, Auntie, Valentine's. Maids never tell the truth. I said, no problem, you can go. Valentine's very early in the morning, by 10 p.m. she had finished her work. Midday, she's fully dressed. 2 p.m. she's still in the house. I also got concerned. 4 p.m. I told Daniel, if you're not going to call your mother, Call her and tell her, if you're not going to see your mother, call her and tell her that you're not coming to visit. She excused herself and went to the bedroom. You know when you are annoyed, you cannot whisper on the phone. You can't, and these maids have items which are very loud, you can hear both conversations. So she's there in the room. Where Bosco? Bosco answered Daniel. She said, "Gonna sing a vinyo. Why don't you stay down and then they whoop?" Bosco replied, "Woman in the city." The girl tried to call again. The telephone number you called is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Me, I left at home crying. Dressed up, went to church. Now, Ugandans, you're going to hell because of lying on phone. You know, we're in the taxi going to church, and then this guy receives a phone call. Hello. I said, "Go when you get in the massacre, you will get stretcher." Who by the person who is calling him is in the same taxi. She shouted for Wangwa Muchibi. Every Mulineza wine is in Pera and Gatana took a massacre. And I'm very sure that one is now single with Zari and 99 others. Why people will go to hell because of lying? And for us black people who are warned in advance, you saw it on social media that we are Valentine's is for light-skinned babes. Black ones are waiting for what? Labor Day. And we are waiting for Labor Day. But though some of you have been dumped, you no longer have exes, you have alumni. That is what you have now. If you have Valentine's visible. And you brown girls, I hope you took Postina too after enjoying after things. Please don't come back here asking us for names for babies. I always see on social media people, "Hi guys, please give me cute names for baby girls starting with the L." Where were we there with you when you were making the babies? Why do you come to ask us the names? And parents of those days, they would handle these things. By the time a kid is born, the kid has names. If the kid is born has no name, you call the grandparent, "Hello, mama." They give you names. People I think when you hear names from grandparents, how they sound. Now, you find a kid 1 year, the kid has no name. I was in the supermarket and about to do a lady with her kid, very beautiful girl. I was like, wow, she's so cute. What's her name? Oh, she's got pretty sweetie. I'm like, what you? Which clan? Women are always mothers, always on Facebook. They come with high names of baby girls with letter L, and then you see lumpens giving names. Lakwisha. Oh, Limpopo. Oh, Lakwena. And then the woman comes back a week later with the picture of the kid. Guys, meet my Shibubu. Lakwisha, Limpopo, Lakwena. And she has chosen all the names. Even Wakanda land cannot accept such a name. Women, do your things correctly. And by the way, even if you're pregnant, I advise you to go to hospitals with serious scan machines. Because most of these scans lie, by the way. You do a scan, it shows you a girl. But now you will show up girls things. Labor Day, a boy. In Africa, my friend, you will wear those clothes that you're a boy. It is the mother to explain all time. They say, "Oh, cute baby, what's her name?" It's a boy. Ladies, this is important. Every man in your life is important. When you're selecting your men, do mixed farming. Do not mind which kind of a job he does. I usually see women saying, "Me, I want a man who has a ride with an office job." All fingers are not the same. They can't be equal. Whether he deals in Kasori, do not mind. Keep him. Because one day you'll be there very starving. And this man will surprise you with chicken mash. Not Andy Kirao. Oh, mobile money. Don't fire. Just keep him aside. Because you'll be there very broke. And this same guy will send you fraud by mistake. Yes. Don't worry now. Thank you very much. My name is Richmouth, Uganda.
I go to the center. We are the moon.
Ye mwano kubanga tunyumirwa wano tetugala tunyumirwa akalangu tuba tukalaba niba nemwe bali twagala loud speak
bali twagira banne tuyanza tuyanze MC Vampire MC loud
no musajja omongere ku bugalo bw'amanyi omusajja
we tuwanika
iyi musajja atuwanise yankomeza wa kakati bakwamba di South Africa nakadda era entambula ogiraba
agati comedy wano mu theater binyuma obera wa kabi
ne ku masomero
negera kusomero ly'omwana wo
mama nyabo omwana yanswaza tuziza abana ku masomero Bakwese musize nayo. Omwana yanswaza. Omwana mugamba nkola kwembaze oba ku kisaawe.
Kale. Baita ko omwana akasooka.
I'm Jadi.
Yes, madam.
Daddy akola mulimu ki?
My daddy. My dad is a driver.
Okay, genda akalane kajja. Akankali kakuna. Daddy wakola mulimu ki?
My dad.
Yeah.
My dad is a cameraman.
Yeah. Somera nga yali abafu. Kale. Funa kusomera petrol swaza nawe. Nga wasomera wabi. Tuyogera daddy wange akabu pilot biki. Daddy wange boda munya mu. Kale. Daddy wakola mulimu ki? Akayi kabuzayo omukatuuke. Akola mulimu ki? Daddy wakola mulimu ki?
My dad.
Yeah.
My dad is a secretary.
Balinga nenda mukwano gwange ne mugamba taliko muga wange yadda ko wange buzayo wange tuli bamanyi.
Wajja.
Ya wange yadda ko David wange.
Ne bakayita kabana amaleera.
Ya.
Kama guga kali kagera tata wako kama guga.
Dangirira nnyo. Ya. Shan.
Madam, me.
Me. Ya. Daddy wo akola mulimu ki ne waneria zedde. Daddy wo akola mulimu ki yaye mwana wange.
My dad.
Ye mwana wange. Daddy wo akola mulimu ki?
My dad.
Ya.
My dad ajimba bujimbi akabuto.
Kajabala newunye kintu kimu. Webale swaza. Newunye kintu eki loud speaker. Newunye kintu eki.
Vamba yawe uwunyachi.
Nze mu nsi muno 2018.
Mwako gutandise.
Bakasanyufu.
Mwana wa mugagere nkaya no juulira.
Atya
omuzakaya nanga wewo.
Owange babaka no baba. That ice cream ono babaka. That emumbwa roge.